Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I finesse this bomb synthetic wig from Bobbi Boss. If you want to see more, stay tuned. So this is the Alyssa Wig, which mimics a kinky straight / relaxed texture. It is heat resistant, and I plucked the closure off camera because it was looking a little too thick. It has 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back. There are some layers cut into it as well, which I think they did a really good job on.
Ooh, stiff what? Stiff what?
For real, stiff what?
Oh, no what?
Stiff what?
Well,
No.
yes.
So I did baby hairs on my hair because I was trying to see what it would look like if I didn't have to cut baby hairs in the wig, but I quickly realized that was a dub.
Oh my god, Division is dropping an album. This year has been overwhelming. I've been saying we need to do over, but you know what? Division is dropping an album. Insecure is coming back. Tory Lane's supposed to be dropping some heat. I mean, Shayna's recording videos. Like, this is great. This is great. I'd be cute with my hair if I was bald.
Well, shit.
Yo, f you.
I could already tell that my baby hairs was not going to be enough, so I just went in and cut some and shaped those with some Got To Be gel. Once I have them looking like I want, I'm going to tie it down with a scarf and then go in lightly and straighten the hair. I had my straightener set to 290, which I thought was still kind of high, but you know, I never really trust straightening synthetic wigs, but it really did make a difference in my opinion. I must say that once I did straighten the hair though, the ends of the hair started snagging, and I didn't leave it on for too long, so I don't know if it was like burnt or something, but I don't know, just an FYI. Once my hair is good and set, I'm going to go in with some powder that matches my skin tone on the part and around the edges. Then I'm going to use some black powder to fill in my baby hairs a little bit. My favorite part about this wig is that it literally is so long, it reaches my butt, and not many synthetics that are this long look this good and natural. And then, of course, we gotta pause for a little music and dance intermission because why not, okay? And no judgments on the singing, guys.
Sing it, bitch.
Listen to my heart, baby. Ooh, crying out. Girl is crying out for me. Now I can hear it. It's crying. Me.
Yeah. Yo, this is gonna crumpin' was the shit. Everybody sit there.
I used to think I could crump.
Huh?
I used to think that I could crump.
15 minutes.
Actually, I could crump. What you mean?
Last but not least, I'm going to add some layers to frame my face a little bit. So I like this wig. I do like this wig. It has like a nice kinky texture that I can definitely get with. This closure is, I mean, this is looking like scalp right now. This is looking like scalp. I didn't glue the whole thing down because I've tried to glue down synthetic wigs a couple of times and it just does not lay right for me. These baby hairs, it's a combination of my hair plus the wig hair that I cut. So, I mean, everybody does their baby hairs different. I don't really like, I mean, I like baby hairs. I think I need them because I got a big head and I can't just be doing like just straight back. That don't look good on me. I got too much forehead. Honestly, I feel like I gotta put it up more, but that's fine. That's fine. Y'all gonna appreciate this vibe head today, okay? The one thing I do have to mention is at the ends, like it's already getting tangled, but I think it's because I keep running my hands through it, so I'm gonna leave it alone for a little bit. But that's fine. It's fine. It's synthetic hair. What do you expect? I'm just amazed. Like, I was not, listen y'all, when I put it on the first time, I was like, this ain't it. But I like this. I like this. Highly recommend. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you want more videos like this guy. I said I was gonna start running my hands through it. That's how you know it's good hair. When you start running your hands through it, you're just like, yup. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.